amazing boys and girls. Welcome to Jasmine Children's School YouTube channel. It's another amazing time to learn something new today. I hope you're ready to learn something new. Now today I will be introducing you to Finger Abacus. Finger Abacus. Now Finger Abacus simply means using your fingers to add and subtract numbers. It makes the work easy. Instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 plus 2, 1, 2, then no, we don't do that anymore. With your fingers, it will be super easy to count, to add, and to subtract. So let's go. Now your thumb represents 5. Your thumb represents 5. Then the single fingers represent 1. So if I say give me 5, add 1, you raise up your 1 finger, add another 1, you raise up your 1 finger, add another 1, just like that. So can we try that? Can we try it? Now let's go. Everyone give me 5 plus 1. What's the answer? Good job. Let's go again. Give me 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. What's the answer? 8. Good job. Let's go again. Give me 5 plus 2. Now you need to add 2 fingers. Take away 1. What's your answer? 6. Good job. Okay, are you ready for more numbers? Yes. Let's go. Give me 6. Add 2. Take away 1. Take away 2. Take away 5. Add 1. What's the answer? 1. Good job. Let's go again. Give me 7. Add 2. Take away 5. What's the answer? 4. Amazing. Let's go. I'm going to be quick about this one. Give me 5. Add 1. Add 1 again. Add 1 again. Take away 2. Add 1. Take away 2. What's the answer? Amazing. One last try. Let's go. Give me 3. Add 5. Take away 2. Add 1. Take away 2. Take away 5. What's the answer? Now, this is an easy way to use your fingers to add and subtract instead of counting. Now, if you love this video, subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share. See you in our next class, and bye-bye.